All right, today on the Real Property Show, we're going to be showing you how we put the hardware on these exposed posts and beams. This is a Simpson product. We're going to show you how these washers and these structural screws go in. It's a really easy application. I got some products here. We'll give you some model numbers and show you how it gets done. So let's get started. All right, so the hardware reason today is made by Simpson Strong Tie. And the structural screw that's used is it's an SDWS 2312 DBB RC12. The 12 is just how many are in the box here, but the 312 is for the 3.5. They also make a 5.5 and they make a 2-inch. So the 3.5 and the 5.5 are structural. The rated loads on the 2-inch are a lot less. You need to check the actual specs, make sure you're using the right screw. But this works really good on 5.5-inch thick material or like 6x material. So net, it nets out at 5.5. So this is the screw we're using. Now along with that, we have it's their washer, what they call their hex head washer. And this comes in packs of 8. I think it comes in 24s as well. Their number on this is STN22-R8. The R8 is how many are in a box. So it's really STN22. And what this looks like, I'll pull one out of my bags here, but this looks just like that. And what it has on the back is it has it's just like a rim that guides this into the hole on the actual bracket that you're using. So this will go in this hole right here. You see that? And it fits perfectly right in the back. So it allows you to line this up real nice. And then you take the screw, and the way the screw works, see if I can hold all these at one time, is you grab this screw and you just set that thing right in that, right there, and just drive that in. You don't have to pre-drill at all, unless the wood looks like it's gonna split on you, but typically you do not have to pre-drill. It's just super simple. Goes right in and finishes out real nice. We're going to show you today how we install this, and you'll get to take a look at it. So this is Simpson's APV L6, and this is their outdoor accents line. All of this is. So they have a smaller one that's for 4x. This is for the 6x. And you also, the difference on this, it says APV L. This is for the L bracket. They have one that has the T, which you'll see we have them up above me up here. We already put these on. I'm using this clamp here to hold this bracket in place while we actually put the screws in. So I first got to get it lined up with the top of the post, and then get the spacing on each side of the post right. And then I'll take this and I'll spread it out just a little bit, and then take that and just clamp this on here. And that holds it in place while we go ahead and screw it. Then I'll take and I'll actually put a level on the top. Make sure we're good on the level. That one's actually just right. If not, I'll take a little block of wood and I'll tap it to make sure that it's right where it needs to be. So what you're seeing here is the intersection between a post and a beam. And we have the beam notched an inch, so the post goes up into the beam an inch. And then we got an angle that we have put on here. This is using the Simpson Outdoor Accent hardware. And then if you come around the back side, this is an L bracket that we got on here. We have one of those on both sides. All right, well, hope you learned something about Simpson's Outdoor Accent product line. Seems like a great product. Really worked well here on our project. So if you'd like more information about building a custom home or an ADU, visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you need help buying or selling your home or land, visit our real estate company's website at freemansrealty.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching.